You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than 13.5. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 40 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the x into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than 13.5.